The handheld wars have just reached a breaking point. For the last few years, we've lived in a world where you had to choose. Do you want the polished, console-like simplicity of the Steam Deck, or do you want the raw, unbridled power of the ROG Ally? It was a compromise. It was always a compromise. But as we sit here in 2026, the game has changed forever. The leaks from the FCC, the insider reports from Taipei, and the sudden shift in Microsoft's strategy all point to one thing. The Asus ROG Ally 2 isn't just a sequel. It is a handheld monster designed to make your gaming laptop look like a prehistoric fossil. Why are you still watching? Because you felt the frustration. You've sat on a plane or in a coffee shop with a handheld that died after 90 minutes of cyberpunk. You've dealt with Windows 11's clunky interface on a tiny screen. You've seen your frame rates dip just when the action got intense. You are waiting for the device that finally gets it right. And the ROG Ally 2, along with its mysterious Xbox Edition sibling, is stepping onto the stage to claim the throne. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. For years we've been using the Z1, which was impressive for its time, but the Z2 is a different beast entirely. We are moving to a Zen 5 architecture on a 4nm process. In plain English, this chip is twice as fast and twice as efficient. The leaks suggest a massive 30 to 50% jump in raw GPU performance. We are talking about playing AAA titles at 1080p high settings on a device that fits in your hands. No more low presets. No more blurry upscaling. This is true native power. But power is nothing without a window to see it through. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to finally make the jump we've all been dreaming of, OLED. But not just any OLED. We are looking at a 7-inch, 144Hz VRR, variable refresh rate, OLED panel. If you've seen the Steam Deck OLED, you know how much a screen can change the experience. The infinite blacks, the vibrant colors that make the world of Elden Ring or Starfield feel like they are bleeding out of the glass. But Asus is taking it further with that 144Hz refresh rate. In the competitive world of Call of Duty or Valorant, those extra frames aren't just a luxury. They are the difference between a win and a loss. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The battery. The original Ally was a powerhouse, but it was tethered to a wall like a dog on a short leash. You couldn't go an hour on turbo mode without the red light flashing. Asus heard the screams. The Ally 2 is rumored to house a massive 85 watt-hour battery. That's nearly double the capacity of the original. Combined with the efficiency of the Z2 chip, we are looking at a handheld that can actually survive a cross-country flight. Imagine playing Black Ops for 3 hours straight without looking for a plug. That is the freedom we were promised. But there is something even bigger happening under the hood. For the first time ever, the line between Windows handheld and Xbox console is being blurred. The most explosive leak of 2026 is the Project Cannon, the black chassis ROG Ally 2 that features a dedicated Xbox button. This isn't just a shortcut. Sources suggest that Microsoft has finally delivered a handheld mode for Windows. A lean, fast, gaming-first OS that boots straight into your library. No more desktop icons. No more tiny taskbars. It's an Xbox